day. Good day, everyone. I will recite the glossary of geology and forest soil. Number one is acid soil. Soil that has a pH value less than 7. Number two is adsorption, the attraction of ions. Number three is E horizon, soil horizon consisting of soil. Number four is alkaline soil, soil that has a pH value greater than 7. Number five is calcareous soil, soil certain sufficient calcium carbonate. Number six is compost, a mixture of organic residue. Number seven is composting, decomposing organic material. Number eight is decomposition, the process of dissolving minerals. Number nine is delta, a large deposit of sediments. Number 10 is denudation, the total action of all process. 11 is edapology, the science that deals with influence of soil. Number 12 is forest floor, refers to all organic matters. Number 13 is geology, the study of composition, structures, process, and history of the earth. Number 14 is forest, freely drained histosols. Number 15 is lava, a very hot molten mass. Number 16 is limestone, a sedimentary rock. Sedimentary rock containing 50%. Number 17 is mar, a forest humus in which the layer present. Number 18 is muck, a highly decomposed organic matter. Number 19 is nitrification, the conversion of ammonium to nitrate. Number 20 is order alphisol, soil with gray to brown surface horizon. Number 21 is organic fertilizer, which is the byproduct from decomposed animal. Number 22 is parent material, the unconsolidated. Number 23 is speed, unit of soil structure. Number 24 is petrology, a branch of geology deals with the study of rock. Number 25 is saltation, movement of soil particle in water of wind. Number 27 is soil monolith, a vertical section of a soil portrait. Number 28 is the soil texture, relative proportion of various soil separate. Number 29 is splash erosion, spatter, the impact of raindrops. Number 30 is topsoil, the topsoil layer of the soil. Number 31 is weathering, refers to all physical and chemical changes. Number 32 is magma, a hot molten materials. Number 23 is mineral, refers to all chemicals solid. Number 34 is mar, forest humus in which the H layer is present. Number 35 is order, order mollisol, soil with neatly black.